Hi there. The government has been 1 year in office, and as Minister for Public Expenditure and Reform, I wanted to give you a quick overview of the work I am involved in. My first task as Minister was to coordinate the huge public expenditure programme needed to respond to COVID. We have committed over €30 billion this year and last year in the fight against the virus. This means funding for the PUP and wage subsidy schemes and enterprise supports, which have supported over 1 million people. It has also funded the most extensive vaccination programme in the history of our state, with 300,000 people now receiving their vaccine on a weekly basis. As well as responding to COVID, I am keenly aware of the importance of investing in Ireland's long-term economic well-being. €1 billion in funding from Europe's Recovery and Resilience Facility has been secured to fund a range of digital, climate and skills projects, and a further €1 billion in EU funding has been secured as Brexit supports. We have put in place a record capital budget of over €10 billion, including major investment in housing, and we will shortly conclude a review of the National Development Plan to cover the next 10 years. We are also investing in and reforming our public services. This means recruiting vitally needed additional staff and adding capacity to the health sector. I am pleased that a fair and affordable pay agreement has been put in place across the public service. As Spending Minister, I want to ensure that every euro is spent as effectively as possible. New structures are being put in place to ensure much tighter oversight of major infrastructure projects and value for money across current and capital spending. My department also has an extensive reform agenda and is progressing measures to update legislation in relation to protected disclosures, lobbying, freedom of information and ethics. I'll keep you posted on how we progress all of these priorities. Thank you very much.